Okay, pangalawa, sinasabi na importante yung impeachment, and sabi na hindi namin papangako boto namin kasi nga we have to do it sa ebidensya. So panay ang tanong sa amin, so you will allow na lumabas yung ebidensya? Sabi, of course, that's part of our job. Hindi namin job ay i-convict o kaya i-acquit na mag-a-act kami as prosecutors or as defense lawyers. Ang trabaho namin mag-judge, no? And then, syempre may magtatanong sa Blue Ribbon. Sabi namin, wala kaming specific target except yung katotohanan. Meaning, there has to be a way that the Blue Ribbon will not be used as a tool laban lang sa kalaban ng mga administrasyon, then mapagtakpan yung totoo. Of course, at that time, hindi ko pa alam yung main allegations regarding certain Malacanang personalities and going all the way to the top. Of course, marami ng yung Cabral files, yung by March ba, I think nandun na yung Marines, and then also yung Bersamin files. Basta't marami yan, no? So, basically, ang message ko was, malabo namang makabuo kami, pero it's always possible. So, ang pinapaabot lang namin sa Malacanang ay hindi na po feasible yung Tito Soto, Risa Hontiveros, Kiko Pangilinan, Lacson Group of 4, Gang of 4, na pagpapatakbo ng Senado because it wasn't productive anymore. Panay 2028 lang ang issue, tapos maraming pinagtatakpan, tapos hindi nakatutok sa pangangailangan ng tao.